Trust me, when you're in Accra and you are tired and you feel the environment is hot over there, come here. That's why I traveled all the way, from Accra to Akosombo just to enjoy their jollof. Yes, after a very hotty sand, blah blah blah, we need to get our jollof. This is Ghana jollof. No, I want to set the record straight, and this is how I'm going to consume my Ghana jollof. I've got my Belakwa here. This one is free advert for them. Yes, Belakwa. Yes, good. Creating content.
My Aqua software.
Aqua software. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Creating content. Enye easy. Chopping jollof. Enye easy. The only thing that it is easy is what? Enjoying at Akosombo Gardens. This is what?
Adode.
Adode oyster. Good. Shellfish. Yeah. So let me taste. Let me taste. Okay. This is very interesting. I've got my sausage over here. I've got my chicken abotai. So ladies and gentlemen, let me digest the food and see how it's going to be. Let me digest it in my mouth. Let's go. mm. Mm. So the reason why we are saying Ghanaian jollof is nice, no doubt about it. Bro, I've got my black pepper over here.
Yeah.
Black pepper. That's right. You dey feel?
Oh, it's not easy. This Ghana jollof, local food.
Locally prepared.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Only in Ghana.
Only in Ghana.
A town called Adome.
Mm-hmm.
In Volta region. Near the black Volta. So nothing else but enjoyment. Come and sit yourself. No be mad. That's how we enjoy here. Cheers to you.
Okay, we are enjoying the jollof. Yeah, Ghanaian jollof. Mm. Mm. Let me take the oyster on. Mm. Edium. Mm. So the thing is very tasty. Come take my water. Belakwa.
Almost finished.
Almost finished. It's not finished yet. Mm. Mm-hmm. This is my sausage. Mm. 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 Down. Are you tired, my cameraman? No.
Okay.
Mm. Ghanaian jollof is the best. No doubt about it. I have tasted Nigerian jollof. Emeka, wherever you are, greetings to you. You cook a Nigerian jollof, for me, and I was like, you the B, but I know the D. You see?
Emeka will keep you.
Emeka will not rip me.
You get mad about you.
Emeka, your jollof the B, but
There's a difference in it.
yeah, there's a difference. The pepper, in fact, everything is on point, my brother.
This one is Sankoba spice or
No, you not do advert for Sankofa abeg.
it's natural spice or
This one is natural spice.
okay.
Hey, I always forget the name.
Shellfish or
Shellfish.
Adode.
Oh, I don't know. Mm. 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 Ghanaian jollof. Bro, really? I don't know why the papa.
That's local language.
Yes. Locally, you can the oil the way fancy.
Okay.
How do you say that in Ewe too?
Edivin
Edivita.
in French, il est bon qualité.
Il est bon qualité. Yeah, multi language.
Yeah.
Il est bon qualité.
Yeah.
Oil the Ingona.
I'm on Nakpa.
Ingona akpa. That's right.
That's gone.
That's gone for you. So kindly subscribe to my channel, and this is how I'm consuming my jollof. You know what I'm saying? No, how do you call spices? Everything is natural. You know what I'm saying? Everything is natural. My cameraman is suffering, but yo, bon qualité, Anna.
Il est bon qualité.
Il a bon qualité. So all my friends, you know, il a bon qualité. This is a Ghanaian jollof. It is very saucy, very delicious. What is here?
The black pepper.
The black pepper. I don't really like black pepper. Yeah,
Okay.
I just with my bell aqua on top. Ishora, waiter, please give me one water, okay? Yeah. Bon qualité. Boko se interview awo.
If you don't use your hand, you don't do anything.
Yeah.
Just use your hand.
This how much is it?
5 cedis.
5 cedis. Oh wow. That's right. Please, you have one here.
Yeah, how about that?
Okay, it's okay.
Wow. I think my local water here.
Local water. Oh, baby, I local.
The environment alone, local environment.
Okay.
Organic environment. So I move local. That's where I put my spoon and use my hand.
Okay.
Demonstrate my local enjoyment.
Thank you so much, my brother. 5 CDs. 5 CDs. That's sorted. Hey, trust me, when you're in Accra and you are tired and you feel the environment is hot over there, come here. That's why I traveled all the way, you know, from Accra to Akosombo just to enjoy their jollof. I'm on the chicken. My cameraman, God bless you.
Cut your boy.
The food is getting finished.
This is called banquet food.
Banquet food.
Meaning you don't leave the bone.
Okay.
You keep the bone.
Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm already done with my food, and then on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it 9.9. 9.9. Only at Adomi Bridge Gardens. You understand? This is it. So thank you so much. Let me finish this one before. mm, mm, eh, mm, I like chicken. Mm, mm. Bro, thank you so much. Baby, I'm done. Thank you so much. Follow me, subscribe to my channel, tell me where you are watching me from, and then if you ever tasted the Ghanaian jollof, let me see that in the comment section. Comment about it. Is it good? Is it one of those? You understand? If you have tasted Nigerian jollof before also, drop it in the comment section. This is a battle between Ghana and Nigeria. The Ghana jollof, Nigeria jollof, Ghana jollof, Nigeria jollof. But today I've settled the battle. I give it to Ghana, bro. Even though Emeka gave me a very nice jollof, but bro, let me give it to Ghana. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.